Here is how we can sync the iPhone with the iPad apps. So let me explain that and show you how you can approach this. If it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Okay, so at first you have to make sure that both the iPad as well as iPhone are signed in with the very same Apple ID, the same Apple account. So you can figure it out if you go to your settings and at the top of the list you have a profile icon and section. So you just want to make sure it's the same name, profile picture, and actually the same Gmail or email address used for the sign in to Apple services. So once you have that, then you can go to the apps section, which is part of the main settings app, and go to the App Store. And in here we have section which is called automatic downloads, and you want to make sure that the app downloads has the green toggle enabled. So if you read below what it actually is, it means that it will automatically install free as well as paid apps purchased on other devices. So you should have this toggle turned on both the iPad as well as iPhone, which would mean that the apps get synchronized. So you download a new app on the iPhone and it gets installed on the iPad as well. And it doesn't even matter if it's free or paid, because once you pay for it for your own account, then of course your other devices have that available as well. So that's the quickest way to sync apps without manually having to download them. So let me know if that's the thing that you were looking for. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'll see you in the future videos and guys like this one.